morning, guys. I definitely got us up at 4 o'clock, but it's 4:42 right now. We're going on an all-day excursion. It's about to be literally crazy. This reminds me of our first day in Bali. I got those videos still when you on the back of the Jeep crying.
Oh yeah, girl.
But my thing is, you went skydiving. I didn't think that was that scary.
Skydiving is like 2 minutes. They had me like turning on the edge of the hills for like 20
in the dark.
minutes.
No, for like 45 minutes.
They didn't even have headlights.
It was super dark. So yeah,
that's scary.
It was. So here we are. We're picking up the rest of the people where the bus is nice. Oh, they got a little bathroom. Cool. Ooh, definitely watch where we're going. I'm about to go lay down. Well, I'm right here. I'm about to close my eyes.
Relatively close to Lima, 3.5 hours. Many Limeños, many people from Lima come to Paracas because the beach is clean, the view is amazing. We have different activities of adventure that you can carry out here, like the Magis in the middle of the National Reserve of Paracas. On your left hand side, you see part of the National Reserve of Paracas. Okay? Two important pre-Inca civilizations flourish here: the ancient Paracas and the ancient Nazcas. Those two civilizations were developed before the Incas. The Paracas flourished between 700 before Christ to 200 after Christ. Okay, they were extraordinary farmers, fishers, weavers, but above all, they were extraordinary to have land breakfast there until 9 o'clock. Okay.
This is my breakfast: pancakes, eggs, and there's ham in the eggs and some oranges. Does it come with coffee and orange juice? Oh yeah, it was a meal, right? I tasted the eggs already, child. They were pretty good. I don't care about stuff touching, but I don't want my fruit to have syrup on it. Gracias. He said, hold on.
Right.
He said, not too much. I speak English. They could have gave me another pancake. Ooh, that little toast look good too. It's like better than IHOP. True. Because it's like more crispy.
IHOP fell up so bad. They used to be so good.
All right, we're back. I got my mic. We're in Paracas, which is a different state from Lima, but it has like the biggest wildlife. There's sea lions, there's penguins because we're so close to the Antarctica Ocean. This breakfast actually looks really good. I'm not even gonna hold you. Kind of mad I didn't get a smoothie, but you know, my eyes be bigger than my stomach because look at her smoothie. Is it good? It look good. Yeah, it look real good. But yeah, we have a lot going on. There's a bunch of tourist shops. We woke up at like 4:30. It was a 3.5 hour ride, but actually I got mad sleep, so I'm not tired at all. But yeah, stay tuned for the sea lions and the penguins. I like penguins, are like one of my favorites, so I think that'll be pretty cool. Orange juice is fire. I wish I had some cream and sugar for my coffee, but you know what? It is what it is. Whew. Stay tuned.
Oh, not the
Oh, let's go. I mean, stores. You know, I love the little store.
I want like a bright one.
Yeah. I feel like if we can't, we'll be able to find it in, what's that thing called? Cusco. Hi.
Like that blue one is cute right there, but I wish it had like more vibrant colors.
Yeah. Like the brown, like this color.
Yeah.
Shit, my shoe.
Hola, buenas.
Hola.
Adelante.
I thought it was this fisherman.
That wasn't it.
No, it was a sea lion.
Se está comiendo su pesca, pues. Vamos a ver. Sí. Ari.
Marina como orange color with 5 ounces.
Mira, mira, mira. Mira, mira.
Shout out to me getting this new phone.
¿Lo ves? ¿Negra? ¿Chola? Mira.
This same stone. We, until now, don't know exactly what's meaning this shape on these geographies. Vamos a ir ahora a las islas Ballestas, aquellas que vemos frente a nuestra barca.
We've seen some sea lions, some starfish, some penguins, some sea urchins, a lot of birds. Hopefully we get some more sea lions as we take off in this boat. The sun's coming out, so it's not as cold, but when we're riding it's pretty cool.
In Spanish, but obviously I don't speak Espanol, so I don't know where I'm at. But this looks super cute. We did see some penguins. There was only like a couple. We did see some sea lions. But we didn't
On the
see
side of
sea lions. It was super cool. I wish it was hot. We could actually swim with them. I would have got it just for a float. This is super cute. Maybe we gotta be happy now. We have to be baby. Alright, so we're about to start moving. Because I'm not editing none of this. So we're about to start moving. Okay, no, I just have to come on.
En este espacio también se puede ver las piedras en el fondo, que es